The first math progression for first grade students in CCISD is to learn their combinations to 10. This entails learning how to decompose 10 using only 2 add-ins. If your student is working on 10 full model, this would mean that the students have 10 tangible objects in their sight. For example, many students choose to use Unifix cubes. The students have to show the ways to make 10 using the objects as well as writing the corresponding equations. So equations such as 2 plus 8 equals 10, 4 plus 6 equals 10, and so on until they find all the combinations of making 10 using only the 2 add-ins. Once students have modeled the full model for combinations of 10, they moved into what is considered partial model. This is the subtraction area of decomposing a number. Partial model is defined as having part of the objects to look at and trying to remember what the other part that went with this to make a total of 10. So the students have 10 objects. We may show them 4 and ask what part is hiding. First graders are expected to master the partial model for only the quantity of 10. The quantities of 4 through 9 are expected to be mastered in second grade using a partial model. The third step for students is to learn the ways to decompose all the numbers leading up to 10 in full model. So they would drop back down to the number 4, finding all the combinations to make 4, such as 1 plus 3, 2 plus 2, and then they would move to the working number 5 and finding all the combinations of 5. They would move up all the way to 9 full model. This is the work of a first grader. Once these have been mastered with all combinations full model, then they begin working on the second grade model of partial through 4 through 9. The next part of the progression will be focusing on solving addition and subtraction facts to 20 using a 10-frame model, but that's another lesson.